True innovation is rare. True innovation is when something really changes the way we do things, rather than improving it. Prime turning completely redefines turning and will make us all rethink what can be achieved. Prime turning offers the flexibility to do turning in all directions, delivering a productivity increase of more than 50% in many existing turning operations. It allows you to apply higher speeds and feeds compared to any similar conventional turning operation, whilst maintaining the same close tolerances and excellent chip control. At the same time, prime turning provides substantially longer tool life, and together with the code generator software will enable you to achieve maximum performance. This is more than a new tool. It's a totally new way of turning. Find out if prime turning is a good fit for your production. Do the evaluation test.